How's it going, everybody? Beautiful day for a ride. This road looks like it goes through, but it says it doesn't. I don't know if I buy it. Montebello. Back on the old wine trail. Finally got my boots. They're pretty sweet. Happy with them so far. Haven't taken them off-road yet. Put them through their real paces. So we'll have to see. But so far so good. It's warming up around here in the Bay Area. Santa Cruz Mountains. Just about ran out of firewood. Well, actually I did run out of firewood. Resorted to burning up some old pallets I had in the yard, which is fine because I needed to get rid of those anyway. Lost their usefulness. So spent the past few days splitting wood. That's always fun. That'll get you in shape. Views. This is a great road, but there's a lot of slow movers. There's the school up here. Wow, if it weren't for these bushes, that'd be a grand view. Well, there's one for you. Vineyards. The Rebels. We've reached the top of the mountain. Oh, can't go through here. I guess that's the end of the line. Well, looks like they do in fact block you from continuing on to Page Mill, which is quite unfortunate. So there you have it. we'll see what else I can find around here. But until next time, like and subscribe.